Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. So don't worry, I'm here to help you and I'm here to improve your English communication skills. I believe those who are having a problem while speaking in English, I really understand because once upon a time I was also not able to speak in English confidently and fluently. But with the practice of consistency, learning vocabulary, reading English and listening English media is really helped me. So same thing I would like to tell you. So let's start today's video with some amazing vocabulary words so that we can improve our vocabulary building. So let's start today's video with a word concord, harmony, agreement. Nations that live in concord are nations that live together in peace. Now, the time of sentence. The war between the neighboring tribes ended 30 years of concord. Next word, concurrent. Concurrent, happening at the same time. The criminal was sentenced to two concurrent 15 years sentences. Next word, condescend. Stoop to someone else's level. I was surprised that the president of company had condescended to talk with me, a mere temporary employee. Condone, to overlook, to permit to happen. To condone what someone does is to look the other way while it happens or to permit it to happen by not doing anything about it. Next word, conducive, promoting. The chairs in the library are conducive to sleep. If you sit in them to study, you will fall asleep. Confluence, a flowing together, especially of river. The sentence, the confluence of Missouri and Mississippi rivers, both are in US, at the St. Louis, that is the place where they join together. Congenial, agreeable, suitable. Time of sentence, the little cabin in the woods was congenial to the writer. Last word for the day, congenital, trait or condition. Congenital. Now the time of sentence, I have told the meaning also, trait or condition acquired. A congenital birth defect is one that is present at the birth but was not caused by one's genes. So we have done the words for the day. If you really want to speak in English, so first start thinking that you can speak in English. First of all, you have to change your attitude towards a new language. Positive attitude you have to keep in your mind that you can speak in English. So keep the positive attitude in your mind that you can speak in English, so you can easily going to speak in English. Now the time for data. Vocabulary is a data, because if you have the knowledge of vocabulary, if the vocabulary is saved in your subconscious mind, so you can easily speak in English. You can speak English like the native speaker, but you need to do other things also, like reading newspaper every day, listening English media every day, and speaking practice in front of mirror, so that you can open a new opportunity for you. Like you can get the jobs in corporate sector or in MNC, where English language is very very important, because English is a global language. Other thing, if you really want to move abroad, you want to go Australia, New Zealand, Canada, so you need to learn English again, because you need to qualify language test if you are a non-native country. So native countries are England, Australia, Canada, New Zealand. So these are the English native countries. But other people, those who live in other countries, though all are the non-native countries. So they need to qualify these language tests. So if you really want to go and study in overseas universities, so you have to learn English. So I believe these are the very important tips which you can follow, so you can improve your English communication skills. So I hope you really like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.